Hey everybody, how are you? I have a small haul today. I just wanted to tell you what the temperature was out. Oh, and it only says it's only 62. Feels like 82. But I'll take 62. I'm running around like a kind of lunatic. But I did get to Walmart, the Dollar Tree, and Salvation Army. So I just have, it's not a lot, just a quick little haul. I'll start with Salvation Army first. Check this out. It's a Pampered Chef product, new in the bag at Salvation Army for $2.49. And it says it's the barbecue and skewer rack. Isn't that cool? Brand new in the packaging. $2.49. Perfect timing. And I'm thinking, how cool. Stick the corn and a couple of skewers. I'm loving that one. Alright, so I grabbed that. Then Johnny D was with me, and he found me that. It wasn't a big bargain. It was $5.99, but does that not say Donna? That says me. So I had to grab that. Then John also found me this for the Disney room. $1.99. Cute, right? Just a little trinket box, but anything Disney, I love it. So I'll put that upstairs in one of the guest rooms is Disney themed. Then, oh, look at what I found. Look at that. Do you see that? Bless this house, O Lord, we pray. Make it safe by night and day. Is that not beautiful? $1.99. And it's metal. Oh, that's a better view. Look at that. I'll put it right there. Where can you see it? There. Look at that. Love this. Okay, love that. And then I picked up two of these. Different ones. But what I want to do is I want to make the 3-tier rack. And I wanted different heights and illusions than just the Dollar Tree candlesticks. So these were no bargain either. This was $2.99 and this was 99 cents. So this was a bargain, this one wasn't. But you know what? I'll take it. Now on to Dollar Tree. I did buy two huge, I'll bring them in that way. See how big they are? Pieces of black foam board. And I want to create something out of them. So I grabbed two of those. Let's see. Oh, I think Walmart and Dollar Tree are kind of, no, here's Dollar Tree stuff. Okay, girls, there's one for me and one for you. I'm going to do a mid-May giveaway. So let me look at my calendar real quick. So if today's the 1st, there are 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 29th. Okay, the 15th. Now make it the 16th. 16th is right smack in the middle of the month. On the 16th, I will be giving away a couple of little goodies. And I think I'll figure out what I want to put in them. So I'm going to do a goodies video. So let's see what I'll do. But one of them is for you, and one is for me. I really liked it. I don't know, it's just, I don't know, it's super cute. So I grabbed them. You saw me haul these the other day, and I'll probably throw the, ooh, aren't they cute? I'll probably throw the craft up before you actually see this video, and then you'll understand why I went back and got two more. Then I'm in a swap, an embellishment swap on Sabrina's channel. So I had to buy an extra goodie, so that's my extra goodie. And then from the haul the other day with these, you saw I got these, so I grabbed the last 3. I really want to print out pictures for my refrigerator for the family. And then I bought a package of these for the embellishment boxes. Aren't they cute? These are my favorite. You can never have enough rope. Now on to Walmart. Yeah, gotta color my hair. Minnie graduates next Saturday, so I have to get an outfit and I gotta color my hair. Don't need to see that. Got another thing of nails. Love my nails. Love my kiss nails. All right, have you all seen this at Walmart? I've never seen it. It's an aroma shower tab in lavender. And they say that you peel this label off and hang this in your shower, and while you're showering, it gives off the aroma of lavender. And since I usually shower at night before I go to bed, is that TMI? I don't know if that's TMI. Lavender is a very soothing scent. So I grabbed that. I'll let you know how that works out. Then, Walmart had 99-cent stickers. Yeah. How cute are these puffy ladybugs? Yeah, these will be, I think, used in tomorrow's craft. So, tomorrow's cards. Then I did pick up these and these from Walmart. I do have ideas for these. I think these are going to be part of my embellishments. Okay, so I grabbed these. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide them. I'm going to divide them right now. I'm going to divide them right now. Yay! I'm going to start getting this, All right, here's the deal. This is what we're going to do. Haha. I just came up with an idea. I know there's a girl that does it. I don't know who she is offhand. She starts putting a stockpile together of stuff she wants to give away. So, you have to watch my videos to see what I keep adding to it. And then, how can I do that? Then, when I make that final video on the 15th, you have to comment of everything I put inside this bag. And then I will then add everybody's name into a box if they put the right list in. Oh yeah, let's do that. Oh my God. All right, so let's begin. You're gonna have to watch my videos. That's what it's gonna come down to. You never know when I'm going to put something in for the giveaway. So let's start. This is item number 1. You better start writing them down, girls. Item number 1 is the pineapple pouch. And then I am putting one of each color of the glue pens inside of it. All right. Okay, that's the beginning. So you're gonna have to keep track. You're never gonna know what video I use to put something in this box, into this giveaway. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Huh. Will it be on only my hauls? Or will it be on my... It's gonna be on any video. I could be making something and make an extra, and you might get it in this pouch. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. So watch my videos. I feel like I'm repeating myself, but I'm beyond excited. Keep tabs of what I'm putting aside for you all. And then on May 15th, I'm gonna shoot the last video. And on that video, you're gonna have to put in the comments what is inside the pouch. Today is the first one. So it's the pouch and the glue pens. And just say Walmart glue pens. All right, everybody. Wait, is that it? That's it. We're done. That's my haul for today. All right. I will see you all real soon. Bye.